My name is Amal Shaji. I am your SST teacher. So, today we are going to study chapter 16, Great People. So, there have been many great people who are remembered even now for their contributions to society, religion, science, art, literature, and music. So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss some of the great personalities like Sushruta, Charaga, Kalidasa, Tansen, Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Sir Said Ahmad Khan, etc. The first person we are going to discuss is Sushruta. Sushruta was also known as the father of plastic surgery. He was a noted surgeon who lived about 2000 years ago. He performed many kind of surgeries, removing stones from bladder and kidneys, treating fractures and performing eye operations to remove cataract. He was specially skilled in reconstructing noses. Susruda had a vast knowledge of medicinal plants, and he is also known as the author of Susruda Samhita. So, Susruda wrote the book Susruda Samhita, which is a well-known work on medicine, and he was known as the father of plastic surgery, and he was specially skilled in reconstructing noses and performed many kind of surgeries. The next person is Charaga. Charaga was a physician. He is also lived in India about 2000 years ago. He wrote a book on medicine called Charaga Samhita. In his book, he described the diagnosis and treatment of many diseases, and also he described the various stages through which food passes before being fully digested. Not only he wrote the book on medicine, he also listed what duties and responsibilities doctors had towards patient. He had a vast knowledge about the medicinal values of many plants. So, Charaga was a physician and he wrote a book on medicine called Charaga Samhita, and also he listed the duties and responsibilities of doctors towards patient, and also he had a vast knowledge about the medicinal values of many plants. The next person is Kalidasa. He was a well-known poet and dramatist in ancient India. His well-known poems are Raghuvamsha and Kumara Sambhava. His work also include Meghaduta, Ritu Samhara and Abhignana Shakuntalam. Kalidasa lived in the court of Gupta ruler called Chandragupta II, and his well-known poems are Raghuvamsha and Kumara Sambhava. Kalidasa's well-known poems are Raghuvamsha and Kumara Sambhava. And also he had some other works which include Meghaduta, Ritu Samhara and Abhignana Shakuntalam. The next person is Tansen. He was a famous singer and musician. He was a musician in the Mughal ruler Akbar's court, and also he was one of the Navaratnas in Akbar's court. Okay, what is meant by Navaratnas or nine gems? Okay, so this Navaratnas means they were the nine famous people or nine skilled people in Akbar's court, and Tansen was one of them, and he was the singer in Akbar's or musician in Akbar's court. He learned music from a saint called Swami Haridas, a saint singer of Vrindavan. So Tansen's teacher was Swami Haridas, a saint singer of Vrindavan. He also combined Indian and Persian styles of music. Okay, Tansen combined Indian and Persian styles of music. He composed many famous ragas or tunes such as Raga Malhar and Raga Deepak. So Tansen composed famous ragas like Raga Malhar and Raga Deepak. These were sung at different times of the day. Okay, so Raga Malhar and Raga Deepak ragas or tunes were sung at different times of the day. The next person is Sir Said Ahmad Khan. He was a social reformer in British India and he worked towards improving the lives of poor people and women. He worked hard to improve the lives of poor people and women, and also he believed education could help reform Indian society. He believed education can help Indian society, and he set up the Mohammedan Anglo Oriental College in 1857 at Aligarh for Muslims. And now this college or this university is known as the Aligarh Muslim University. It continues to be counted among the important educational institutions of India and as a famous center of higher learning. So now Aligarh Muslim University is one of the famous universities in India. Thank you.